Ever faced a Mac hiccup that needed a deeper fix? Recovery Mode is your digital toolkit, and I'm here to show you exactly how to unlock it. First, the absolute essential: shut down your MacBook completely. Make sure it's powered off, not just sleeping. Now, the magic ingredient for Intelbus Macs: press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see the Startup Options window appear. This usually takes a few seconds. On this Intel startup screen, you'll see your Mac's startup disk and an options icon. Click on that options icon. For MacBooks with Apple Silicon, the process is slightly different again. Power off your MacBook fully, then press and hold the power button until you see the startup options loading. Once you see the macOS utilities window, you've successfully entered recovery mode. Here you'll find options like restoring from a time machine backup, reinstalling macOS, or using disk utility to troubleshoot any issues. These tools are crucial for fixing software problems, wiping and reinstalling your operating system, or even securely erasing your drive. Navigating recovery mode is your gateway to maintaining your MacBook's optimal performance. Remember, for Intel Macs, it's a quick power button hold during startup. For Apple Silicon, it's a slightly longer hold until options appear. Master these steps, and you're ready to tackle whatever your Mac throws at you.